Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video I am going to be showing you my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, I did have some add-ons too. I had a lot of points, so I'll have to try and figure out which one's which. But anyways, my name is Kristen. I am a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. So yes, here's the bag. Big bag. Oh, and I also got a refreshments thing. I'm like, I didn't even know I was getting charged for it. I thought I canceled it already. But, so, again, another fucking bag. So, this is 2 cartridges for the razor that I just showed you a couple of videos ago. So, at least I have that. And, yes, I've already made sure that's canceled now. Okie dokie. So, this is the bag. It looks very similar to the Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular one. I really wish they'd just get rid of the bags. I don't know. Maybe when they started this, maybe they thought that people would only get a few bags and then cancel. Maybe that was part of the product model, because like people who enjoy getting this every month, they have a plethora of bags. So I'm just gonna take everything out of here just to save time. This is the bag without anything in it. So it is cute. Okay. All right. So I have the website pulled up. I'm going to show you what I got. So again, the card says, "Do you?" The Bold Beauty Challenge. So we don't have information in here. And again, I think that's a little weird. I think if they have information in just one bag, it should be this one, not the Glam Bag regular one. But this says, "The Bold Beauty Challenge, 5 tips to make playing with colorful makeup easy and fun." I do love colorful makeup. So it says, if your go-to lip shade is nude, try coral. If you love a neutral shade, try rose gold. If you're a black liquid liner fan, try white. If you're into barely there nails, try glitter. And the last one, if you're into muted tones, try neon. And then, oh, interesting. Gift your friends a free palette. Share the beauty. Okay, whatevs. Okay, so I am going to show you the first thing that I got in my bag, and then I will show you my add-ons. Again, the add-ons I used points for, so I didn't pay for them, and they shipped with this bag. So the first thing I got is this Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask. I will click on the website here since I have the information up. So this says it's $69. So 65 milliliters. This is full size. This is a face mask. A little misleading though, because that box is so big, and this is about half the size of the box. But I do have other masks, especially in tubes like this, so not going to try it right now. Okie dokie. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a Sugar Rush by Tarte product. This is the Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil in Dragon Fruit, and I did try it. I shouldn't have, but I did. It smells super sugary, for sure. Not much in the way of taste. I do like the packaging because it's got this little bit of a grip. Which is nice, I guess. I mean, I think you could even take it off, so that's kind of cool, but I don't know if you could actually reuse it on anything. And that retails for $15 and is 3 milliliters. Alrighty, next thing we got. So I think this was like my choice item. It's so much smaller than I thought it would be. This is a Viseart Petite Pro Doe? I don't know. Dukes? Look at that. Such a tiny little guy. So it's in this packaging right here. It's got a little tab to pull it open, and then go like that. And it's magnetic as well, so you could pull these out. Yeah, I think this was a choice item. So packaging is super cheap. It's just plastic though, which is a little strange considering you got this nice little fold up thing here. There we go. And it's just like a neutrally palette. And it does have the names on the back. Okay, and that retails for $39. It's 8 grams of products. I wouldn't buy that for $39, no matter the formula. Okay, the next thing we have is, and I think this was also my choice, this is Thrive Cosmetics. There we go. Eye Lift 360 Waterproof Primer. Now the waterproof is what got me. I have so many primers already, but waterproof, that's amazing. Not going to open it, that value is at $24. That's 8 milliliters, and that's full size. So, tons of primer though, so I probably won't try that for a while unless like I somehow go out. Okay, and then the last thing, this is kind of cool. So this is the Otherworldly We Are Fluid palette. That's kind of cool. So, packaging, this is what it looks like. Got the funky mirror on the inside, so that's actually kind of a cool color story. I mean, there's a lot of neutrals here, but we get these this green shimmer, we have this it's a glitter, but it's a very funky colored glitter, so I might try that out. But I'm a sucker for anything that's galaxy related, alien related, stuff like that, so that's cute. So that is valued at $18, and that is 12 grams of product in there, which, hey, that's good. And about the brand, it says We Are Fluid is a collection of colorful, cruelty-free makeup for all gender expressions, gender identities, and skin tones. So I like that. Okie dokie. So that's it on my actual products. Okay, so the things that I got from my points. So for some reason I got another watermelon, the Tony Moly Dew All Over Serum. So I got 2 of those now to burn myself with. Look at my last video. And then I got this Lottie London Slay All Day, just like a nude type of lip. I don't know if it's a lip balm, lip stain, I don't know. But it's a tiny little guy. This was the big thing. This cost a lot of points. This is Serum Kind Purple Cabbage Drop. Purple Calming Time with Red Cabbage. So this is the packaging. And on the inside it says, do good, be kind. I did see some people actually got this in their, I think, Glam Bag Plus. But this is the bottle. This is super thick. I did try it out. Yeah. Super duper thick. So that's cool. So I will use that. I might replace this with the Earth Harbor one in my Potion Project pan. Only because I don't know if I really like that. That one, it's just, it doesn't dry. And I might only use that on like the really